All right, this is take 2 at my goal D9. I picked it earlier. It was one of my fastest picks, but turns out I could not fully gut it without grinding down a little stubby thing. And that was the first attempt to gut it. Now I will remember gut things before I pick them for the video. But that's okay. I have faith we'll get it again in a reasonable amount of time. So this guy's got three Bibles, which makes things interesting because it means I have a left flag and a right flag. And what did it again? Attention to the wrong direction. All right, let's just go with it. I prefer tensioning clockwise, but this is the second time I've accidentally done counterclockwise. What's interesting about the rotation on a dimple that has 2 directions of dimples is that no matter what, half of your dimples you're going to be picking with the tension, and this lock loves to lock up when that happens. Let's see what we got going on here. Number 1's good. Oh, that might have been number 2. Number 3 is just all crunchy. And there it is. As you can see with the wiggle wiggle. All right, let's move these tools out of the way and zoom out to make sure I don't screw this up and go out of frame fighting with it. Bonus points if I don't shoot one of these springs across the room. Because whoever designed this with these super soft springs was just messing with us for wanting to gut it. Oh. Let me not forget. This thing is so much harder to take off when there's nothing holding. There we go. Ooh. Almost launched that one over the backside. All right, let's clean house. Ooh. Go there. Ooh. All right, let's get in there. And you can see if it's going to focus. Yeah, there's the overmilling. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, there's that shiny spot. And there it is. We'll get a nice super close up with the, or not, too close with the focus. Really? Oh, that's better. Okay, that's proper focus. All right, so there is the gold D8, D9, picked and gutted.